I'm not sure it's nice. It was a nice weather. So after yesterday, we had a training in rain and good breeze. And actually, I can tell you, we sailed the course in 53 minutes yesterday in the training. But there were 20 to 50 knots, but rain. Today we had sunshine, but basically no wind at all. So that made it very, very difficult from the beginning, because at the start already, everyone struggled to get off the start line in no wind. And for me, tactically, I think it was even more difficult in the race when always the wind came from behind. And the boats further behind catched up with the leaders, which run into a wall of nothing. And then we stretched again a little bit. Again, everyone catched up again. So I think we did the crucial move was to jibe away when we had once enough breeze, which took us to the first mark in one straight line. That separated us from all the followers, which have been basically sometimes overtaking us. There were some heavy cruising boats actually passing us, and we separated from them well with one jibe.